Today is 15th of July, World Youth Skills Day 2025. On behalf of SZABIST ZABTech, I am delighted to welcome you to ZABTech SkillFest 2025 Season 1. A dynamic celebration of World Youth Skills Day 2025. At ZABTech, we believe that skills are not just tools for employment, but they are pathways for innovation, transformation, and empowerment. To every student, to every trainer who mentored, and every team member who made this event possible, you are the real driving force behind the vision of skilled and resilient Pakistan. So let's celebrate your passion, your skills, your journey. Together we are building a skilled workforce, a skilled nation. Once Shaheed Mohtharma Benazir Bhutto, the founding chancellor of SZABIST, said in her speech, "Mehnat sarmayo ahe." Following her vision, following her philosophy for the mehnat, for the hard work, SZABIST ZABTech is established in Sindh province, and subsequently throughout the Pakistan we are going to establish the ZABTech chapters to promote skilled workforce for Pakistan.